Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if this person is unavailable on Messenger. So first what you have to do is open your Messenger app, and right here you have to press the account that you want to fix. So simply I'm going to tap one of this account like this and select the restrict option which is on the bottom right here. Tap on that, restrict, and after that we have to go on the three line icon which is on the top left corner. Tap on that, and just beside account name there's this setting icon right here. Tap on that as well, and scroll a bit down over here and go to privacy and safety, and here we could see from who can reach you. You have to go to the restricted accounts right over here. Tap on that and tap on the account that you just restricted, just like this, and you have to unrestrict it, and you just unrestrict it. And this is how to fix the person if it's unavailable on Messenger. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.